Morning. September is over. Everybody, September is over. Our website has new year end specials. There are many different choices for you under our new Buy Now, Pay Later program. That is being launched on the Dow. We're at the all time bull high for September. Last time we seen an all-time bull rally high in the month of September was back in 2013 on the NASDAQ composite. That was the high. We did get a reversal, but it's still up on a bull market high. NASDAQ 100 made a bull market high. We called that reversal, but we're going out of the month of September up toward the bull market highs that we are. So once again, when we start looking at that SPX again, we start looking at the SPX top, but it's out on bull market highs. Once again, join us for Buy Now, Pay Later. Your investments, whether they're on the long side or the put side, go till January 17th of 2025. For those of you that have lack of money, it's time that you get to use Wall Street's money. You heard me. That's the beautiful message to start the Sunday with the Sunday tomorrow. And then today, Saturday update with the indexes. Once again, traders, we love bringing new opportunities and great opportunities to you.